Hi, I'm Gerry from Gerry's Craft Room, and in this video I'm going to make two easy layered friendship cards with Fab Scraps paper. I cut my paper to size and cut a few tags out of the same paper, and I'm inking the edges. By the way, I added the products I used in the description box for you, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. I tape my first layer to the card and then I'm going to lay out the tags to see where I like them. I added some craft foam to the back of the quote card, and I'm going to add a bunch of Tim Holtz funky flowers. And this is a bit like flower arranging, but then flat and on a card. And just so you know, if you feel inspired, I always love to see your make, so don't forget to tag me at Gerry's Craft Room when you share your work on social media. And when I like where the flowers are placed, I glue them to the card. For the second card I did the same with the layers and the tag. The edges are inked and now I'm going to place all the parts. I use the same colors but then opposite. And I use the quote card to see where all the parts need to go. And these are really fast and easy cards, and they're also great for beginners at scrapbooking, paper crafting or die cutting. Here are the two finished cards in opposite colors and you get a complete different look. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and make sure to keep on crafting.